In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track KPIs in ClickUp. This is a powerful way to stay aligned with your goals, monitor performance, and keep your team focused on what truly matters. By organizing your key metrics in one place, you'll gain better visibility and make more informed decisions over time. To begin, open your ClickUp workspace and navigate to the space where you want your KPIs to be managed. A space acts as your main container, so it's important to choose one that already supports your team's planning or reporting activities. If you're working across multiple teams, double-check that you're in the correct space to keep everything organized and accessible. Once you're in the right place, create a new list. This is where all your KPI data will live. You can place it inside an existing folder or directly within the space, depending on how your workspace is structured. Give your list a clear and descriptive name so its purpose is immediately obvious to anyone who sees it. After opening your new list, locate the Templates option. This is usually available during list creation or through the Template Center in the toolbar. Using a template helps you save time and ensures your setup is consistent from the start. In the search bar, type in KPI to find templates designed specifically for tracking performance metrics. Browse through the available options and select one that includes helpful fields such as targets, actual values, ownership, and time periods. Choose the version that best matches how your team tracks and reviews performance. Once selected, apply the template to your list and allow ClickUp a moment to load everything in. You'll now see a structured layout filled with example entries and built-in fields. This gives you a ready-to-use framework. Replace the sample items with your actual KPIs by renaming or removing placeholders and adding real metrics that reflect your team's goals. Be specific with your naming so everything is easy to understand at a glance. If there are fields you don't need, you can hide them to keep your view clean. If something is missing, adjust the existing fields rather than creating entirely new ones to maintain consistency across your data. Now begin entering your KPI values. Fill in targets, current results, assigned owners, and the relevant time frames. Keep your units consistent, whether they're percentages, currency, or counts, and decide on a regular update schedule so your data stays meaningful. As you input information, ClickUp will automatically reflect progress through statuses and indicators. You can switch between list or table views for detailed updates, or use a board view for a more visual overview. With everything set up, you now have a reliable system for tracking performance and staying on top of your goals. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.